All right, everybody. So here is the LeBron 16 Super Bron or Superman LeBron 16. Man, I'll tell you what about this shoe. I love the colorway. I love the theme. And for anybody that remembers, there was a LeBron 3 Superman that we all seen photos of. And I don't know too many people that actually had that shoe, but yeah, you already know. But I'm gonna get to the shoe real quick. For me, I love the LeBron 16. Far as fit goes, now what's unique is that I had 11 and a half and that burgundy with the leopard back LeBron 16, but I have this one, which is a size 11, and it fits pretty good. I do like to wear thin socks, so yeah, I think it may be true to size for me personally. And I got a wide foot. I'm a big guy, so let's get to the shoe real quick, though, man. As you see that silhouette right there, man, let's start with the bottom first. Got the red, white, and blue, yellow, LeBron logo, of course, LeBron Duncan, blue logo. Other than that, man, I mean, there's really nothing unique for like a hidden feature on this shoe that I haven't seen. I do apologize if I do miss out, but I don't see anything crazy about that. For me, let's start off with the heel. You see that Nike swoosh with the red Nike swoosh with the yellow outlining. Got that blue patent leather, whatever you want to call it. Got the little yellow. Oh, I don't know what you want to call it. Somebody said Dubray. I don't know what you call it actually. Got that on the near the toe box. Now, one thing I do like is this. I know you guys see those initials right there, LRJ. Now, if you're a LeBron fan, you know his full name is LeBron Ramon James, and I'm pretty sure that's what that means. I could be wrong, but I'm pretty sure that's what that means. You see the LeBron logo on the back. Tongue. You see that there. I mean, other than that, I don't think there's anything crazy about this shoe for as like any hidden features. Like I said, once again, I could be completely wrong. But I haven't seen anything crazy. But I really like this shoe a lot. For me, I guess I could say that I wish this shoe would have came with like some yellow laces or some red or even blue laces. Hopefully there's like a reverse pair, which I think is going to be crazy because if I'm not mistaken, today, which I've had this shoe for about a week now, but if I understand correctly, today LeBron's supposed to wear his Superman shoe on Christmas. And I don't know if this is going to be the colorway or he could have his own personal reverse pair, which will be pretty cool. But this is a pretty dope shoe, man. Like I said, shows some nostalgia with that LeBron 3. There was that Superman colorway, but I really like this a lot. For me, this shoe, if I had to rate it, would have to be I say an 8 out of 10. And that's because, like I said, it didn't really have anything that stood out about the shoe outside of like the initials on the side. Like I said, I could be missing something completely. So I don't see anything crazy on the shoe. Nothing on the tongue. Nothing there. But like I said, it's a blue inside. It just has the LeBron logo, which is basically on this side. This logo here has that inside the shoe. Like I said, there's nothing really crazy about the shoe, but like I said, I really like the shoe a lot. Give you a back view, nothing crazy on that. Now, I do take that back. I do apologize. So right here, that looks like the Roman numeral 3, if I'm not mistaken. I'm sorry I can't get a good focus on this, but that is the Roman numeral 3. So I'm guessing that is to pay homage to that LeBron 3. So that's pretty dope, actually. I didn't even realize that, man. That's something new. Let me make sure the other shoe doesn't have anything on there as well, because I didn't see anything on that one. Actually, yes. So that's pretty unique as well. So on the right shoe actually has a Roman numeral 16. So the left shoe has the Roman numeral 3, which is the left shoe right here. And then the right shoe has the 16 Roman numeral. Man, I didn't even realize that, but that's pretty cool. Like I said, there's nothing on the tongues. I'm not really missing anything else, but I will say this. One thing I really wish this shoe would have done, like on the lace tips, like some of the older LeBrons had some crazy lace tips. I wish they would have put like some red and white or red and yellow lace tips on them. Even just some Superman themed, like laces or something like that. But other than that, this is a dope shoe, man. Like I said, retails for $200. Like I said, I've had the shoe for about a week, but I wanted to wait until the proper time, which will be today, technically, which is Christmas on my watch. Hope you guys are having a Merry Christmas, of course, and definitely cop these. If you're a LeBron fan or some sort of like, DC Comics fan or whatever, you definitely want to cop this. I think this is a must cop. Like I said, the only thing with me with this shoe, outside of not having any extra laces, there really wasn't anything that stood out. Outside of that back tab and, of course, the LRJ, I don't really notice anything else crazy about this shoe. Like, I could be completely wrong. Please let me know if you had the shoe, what you saw. But other than that, like I said, it really wasn't a crazy box. Really wasn't a crazy release. So if you guys can, hit that like, hit that subscribe button. I won't be doing too many unboxings. But if I get a shoe early, I will make sure to put it out there early. I do got a couple shoes that I already have that aren't out yet, so I may do that. But I mainly do interviews with the athletes and entertainers as well. So I appreciate you guys for tuning in. Get you a quick 360 of the shoe. As you guys see, the LeBron 16, Super Bron or Superman, whatever you want to call it. There's nothing crazy about this shoe outside of a few little features, but definitely a must cop. So once again, this is your boy Seehendo. I appreciate you guys tuning in. Peace.